this is Ali Al Khaja from Fact Life, and today I find out the best offer for Eid staycation here in Al Habtoor Palace. Let's find out. And guess what? If you book for 2 nights, you will get 1 extra night for free. First Bentley, then Diplomat Suite. They really spoil you in Al Habtoor Palace. And you can play in the highest bowling alley in the world. All-day entertainment for everyone, with access to 3 roof pools and 1 kids club. It's a foodie paradise with the theme branches from Thursday to Sunday, ranging from Japanese, American, French and international.